Hinata, can I come over to your house? Mom and I are fighting, just need a place to stay for tonight. Noah is coming over, yahoo. Why'd you even ask? You can come anytime. A few minutes later. I heard a knock. He's here. Nishinoya, the door is open, just come inside. However, Nishinoya didn't enter. Hinata got up and opened the door. What happened to you, Nishinoya? You look like a mess, go wash up in the CR or you'll get sick. Just borrow some of my clothes, Noya, I don't mind. Nishinoya remained silent. Hinata. Hey, are you alright, Tanaka? Why the sad face? Noya. Oh, Noya, he's here. Nishinoya is dead. How? What do you mean he's here, lol? He got into a car accident earlier. He was dead on arrival. WTF, are you for real? The fuck, why would I even joke about it? Then who's with me right now?